Welcome to Type Flow, where I share my journey of self-improvement with a special focus on learning touch typing. Over the past few days, I've been making steady progress, and I'm excited to update you on what I've been working on. Yesterday, on day 2, I ended up practicing for almost 4 hours, not because I had extra free time, but because I genuinely got hooked. I was listening to music while typing, which helped me stay relaxed, though I'll admit it occasionally distracted me. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Is it a good idea to listen to music while practicing touch typing, or should I focus entirely on the typing itself since I'm still new? Let me know in the comments. Today, on day 3, I'm shifting my focus toward improving accuracy. After reviewing my work from yesterday, I realized that I was making more mistakes than I expected. So, my main goal today is to slow down a bit and type more carefully to boost accuracy without losing too much speed. It's only been 3 days, but I already feel much more confident in my typing skills. I've noticed significant improvements in my efficiency, and for the first time, I'm consistently using all my fingers while typing. There are moments when I feel tempted to just use my index fingers, but I'm determined to break that habit and stick with proper touch typing techniques. I've also been watching videos on how to type faster and improve my skills, and they've been really helpful. If you know any great videos or resources on touch typing, please share them in the comments. Your suggestions could make a big difference for me and others watching this channel. I've been practicing for 2 hours each day, 1 hour in the morning and 1 in the evening, and I'm fully committed to this routine. I thought about uploading my entire 2-hour practice sessions, but I'm not sure if that would be interesting or helpful for you. Would you prefer to see the full sessions, or should I stick to shorter updates? Or maybe I could even try live streaming my practice sessions on YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear your feedback. And one last thing. To my dear sister, friends, or anyone else who might be watching, I want to assure you that when I say I'm practicing for 2 hours a day, I truly mean it. I'm currently uploading shorter clips, usually 3 to 4 minutes long, where I explain what I practiced the previous day and what I'm working on today. But if you'd prefer longer content or live practice sessions, I'm open to trying that too. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily updates on my touch typing journey. Your support and suggestions mean the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.